More synonyms for said: grunted, added, argued, announced, admitted, replied, reminded, expressed, emphasized, pronounced, pleaded, explained, challenged, threatened, fallen, shouted, growled, joked, estimated, assured, corrected, mourned, mumbled, whispered, bellowed, scolded, complained, affirmed, haunted, whimpered, shouted, called, mentioned, boasted, declared, confessed,